Doubts in exercise 10.2. Mohit, Paramveer, Tarnika Jain, Pratham. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Any doubt in exercise 10.2?
No, sir.
Great. So can I move to the next chapter, surface area and volume? Switch on the cameras, everyone. Should be. I'm going to the next question, next chapter, that is surface area and volume. Before the start of the chapter, I'm going to discuss with you the formulas which we will discuss here. The first thing is cuboid. Although you have studied in grade 9 partially in the previous classes also.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to everyone. Switch on the cameras, Dilpreet Kaur, Jannat, Mohit, those Tariq, Tarnika Jain, those who have not switched on the cameras. So, सबसे पहले cuboid. If I will go with the cuboid is a figure whose length and breadth and height all are different. Like a box in your house. कुछ इस तरह से. So this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. All are different. So volume of cuboid, this is length is to breadth is to height, and it is in unit cube. Unit cube, it may be centimeter, it may be meter. Surface area of cuboid. So surface area of cuboid means area of the 6 phases. इसके 6 फेस हैं, जैसे ये एक फेस हो गया, ये 2 फेस हो गया, ये 3 फेस हो गया, 3 के अपोजिट इस तरफ 4 हो गया, 1 के अपोजिट ये 5 हो गया, 2 के अपोजिट दूसरी तरफ ये 6 हो गया. So there are 6 phases. When I will add the area of all those 6 phases, it will give me the total surface area. So this is equal to twice length is to breadth plus breadth is to height plus height is to depth. So this is the surface area of the cuboid. That means because if this is length is to breadth, there is more one length is to breadth, which is represented by 5. If this is represented by breadth is to height, the face opposite to 3, this is 4. Again, this is breadth is to height. So every if I will observe it minutely, but I will see that there are 2 length is to breadth, there are 2 breadth is to height, there are 2 height is to length. So this is the surface area. This is the total area of cuboid. That means I have to add the area of the 6 phases to get the total area. Second, cube. So cube is that figure where length, breadth, and height are equal. Length is equal to breadth is equal to height. This is cube. So like the best example of a cube is a Ludo dice. क्लियर? जो जिस डाइस पे 1 से लेके 6 तक नंबर लिखे रहते हैं, दैट डाइस इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ क्यूब डाइस. This is that example. So volume of cube, this is equal to length is to breadth is to height, because in the case of cube length, breadth and height are equal, so this is L cube. Surface area of cube, so see, 2 is to, formula will be of the cuboid, L is to B, I will write L is to L because length, breadth and height are equal, plus B is to H, again I will write L is to L because length, breadth and height are equal. Then I will again write L is to L because length, breadth and height are equal. So this is 2 is to L square plus L square plus L square, which is equal to 2 is to 3L square, which is equal to 6L square, which implies surface area of cube, this is 6 is to side square. Anybody has any confusion in understanding the results, you're free to ask me. No. Third is cylinder. So this is the cylinder. I have made it with two colors intentionally. One is a circle which is represented by AB, another there is a circle which is represented by BC. OM is the height of the cylinder and OB is the radius of the cylinder. So OB, this is radius. I will denote it by R. OM height, I will denote it by H. So in cylinder, the first thing is volume. Volume of cylinder, this is equal to area of circle multiplied by height, which is area of the circle. We know that this is pi r square and height is h. So this is pi r square h. This is volume of cylinder. Can I go to the next?
Yes, sir.
No, the next is, no, there are two surface area. One is a curved surface area and second is a total surface area. So what is the curved surface area? Curved surface area means a pipe, area of the pipe. That means if we'll consider only the red lines, suppose there is no circle AB, there is no circle CD. So what it will be? It will be just a pipe, because closed container is not there either on the part of AB or on the part of CD. So when I will write curved surface area, curved surface area means red line area, the things which are represented by the red lines. This is equal to 2 pi r h, where r is the radius and h is the height. H is height. Now, this is total surface area. So total surface area means the red line area plus green line area. So in green line area, there are two circles. In red line area, there is a curved surface. So this is curved surface area plus twice is to area of circle. Because there are two circles, so I have written twice is to area of circle. So this is 2 pi RH plus twice is to area of circle 2 pi r square. This is 2 pi r plus h. This is the shortcut where r is the radius and h is the height of circle, height of the cylinder, square units. The symbols have their usual meaning. R is the radius of the circle and height, h is the height of the circle. Dilpreet is writing, Chinmay is writing, Paramveer is also writing. Great. Harshit is writing, Mohit is also writing.
Sir, could you please explain again the total surface area equal to curved surface
Who is
area
there?
plus?
Who is there?
Sir, Dilpreet.
Dilpreet, have you switched on the camera? Yes. Now it is on.
Yes, sir.
In the case of cylinder C, I'm going to the volume of the cylinder. What is the volume? Volume is the capacity. Capacity means अगर आपके पास इस तरह का कंटेनर हो जाए और आपको बोला जाए कि add sugar in this container. So how much sugar you can store in that particular container? This is called volume or capacity. So the formula to get the volume is area of the circle. Why circle? Because at the top and at the bottom there are two circles multiplied by the height. So area of the circle is, this is pi r square and height is h. So pi r square h, you can say that this is the formula to get the volume of cylinder. So this is pi r square h. Now, curved surface area of cylinder. What do you mean by the curved surface area? Curved surface area means a cylinder which is without top and without bottom. So that means that this is just like a pipe. Clear? Pipe is in the shape of a cylinder, but there is no bottom and there is no top of the pipe because water has to flow in that pipe like this. So neither we will take the area of the top nor we will take the area of the bottom. We will take only the area of this portion. That means the lines which are parallel to each other. So this is called curved surface area. So the formula to get the curved surface area is this is 2 pi RH. Here R is the radius and H is the height. वो मैंने लिखा है. R is the radius and H is the height. Now, next is total surface area. So if I will consider the total surface area of this figure, first I will take a curved surface area. Second, I will take the area of this circle. Third, I will take the area of this circle. So I will add 1, 2, and 3. So मैंने क्या लिखा total surface curved surface area. Twice is to area of the circle, because I know that area of 2 and area of 3 are always equal, because the circle of the same radius is at the top and the same radius is at the bottom. So curved surface area, this I have already done 2 pi RH, and this is 2 pi r square. That means pi r square plus pi r square, it will be 2 pi r square. So I have taken 2 pi r common. This is r plus h. This is the area. So Dilpreet, I hope you are satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So the students whose picture I'm seeing, they have already written. All of them I have written. Fine. So I'm going to clear it. Next. Cone. So if I'll go with the cone, this is the shape of a cone. So here, so when I will label it, this is A, let it be B, C, B. This is height, this is radius, and this is slant height. So here, let R is equal to CD, radius of cone. AC is equal to H, height of cone. This is height of the cone. Again, I have to see, just take this bottom I have drawn with different color. So, सबसे पहले the first formula is volume of cone. This is 1/3 is to volume of cylinder. 1/3 by r square h. Here r is the radius, h is the height. Of cone. The second, curve surface area, or you can say that lateral surface area. lateral surface area or a curved surface area. This is equal to. So what is this curved surface area? So that means imagine a circus tent. Suppose this is a tent which is installed on the ground. एक ऐसा करके हमने टेंट लगा दिया, तो यहाँ पे ग्राउंड है, दैट मीन्स कि इसको हमको नहीं कंसिडर करना if we want to calculate the area of the tent only. So tent is laid on the ground, so there is no because there is nothing on the ground, there is a grass on the ground. So this is called curved surface area. Curved surface in case of circus tent. अगर इस तरह की सिचुएशन है जिसमें ग्राउंड खाली है, तो हम क्या कंसिडर करेंगे? कर्व्ड सरफेस कंसिडर करेंगे. If we need the area of the ground also, that means कि the same cloth we have to put it on the ground also, then we will consider total surface area. Otherwise, we will consider the curved surface area. So this is equal to y r L, where L is the slant height. Where L is the slant height, R is the radius. R is the radius of the circle. Now, there is another question: how to find out the value of L? Or to get value of L? Now see, if I will consider triangle ACD, this is AD square, because this is a right circular cone, this angle is of 90, so AD will be hypotenuse. AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. So the value of AC is height, the value of CD is R. So if I want to get the value of AD, this is under root of H square plus R square square units. H square plus R square square units, because this is again the area, although it is a curved surface area, but this is again the area. So note करें, then we will move to total surface area.
So
Any confusion to any student, you are free to ask.
No, sir.
Chinmay is noting, let him know. Lavandeep is also noting. Ronnie sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Can I clear it if you people have noted?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Okay. Now, So total surface area. This is curved surface area plus area of base. So my curved surface area we have already done. This is pi r l, and area of the base, this is pi r square. So take pi r outside, this is L plus r square units, where L is the slant height, R radius. L is the slant height and R is the radius of the cone. Now, my next is sphere. Sphere is a three-dimensional figure, although I can't draw it here because I have a two-dimensional screen with me. So sphere, this is a three-dimensional figure. So like circle, we have a radius of sphere. So volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. Surface area of sphere, this is 4 pi r square. Now here is a hemisphere. So this is the hemisphere. When I cut the sphere from the center, this sort of figure, this is called an hemisphere. This is an hemisphere. So one additional circle is created on the hemisphere. So number one, volume. Volume of semi-sphere, this is 1 by 2 is to volume of sphere. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So it goes, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of hemisphere. Number two, curved surface of hemisphere, which is equal to, what do you mean with the curved surface? Curved surface of a hemisphere means there is no base, there is no circular base, area of only this portion where I have red line. This is half of area of sphere. This is 2 pi r square. This is the curved surface area, which is marked with the red line. Which is marked with red line. Now 3, total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere. This is equal to curved surface area plus area of base, circular base. So curved surface area we have already calculated, 2 pi r square. What is the area of the base? Circular base is there. This is pi r square. So that means this area is pi r square and this area is 2 pi r square. So which is equal to 3 pi r square units, because area is always in square units. So this is the formula to get this. Note it down. If you have any doubt, let me know. I will start the examples tomorrow. So go through the formulas very nicely, thoroughly, so that if you have any confusion, you can discuss it with me tomorrow. I will upload it on the portal also. I'll share this video on the portal also. You can see it again. But formulas you will learn only with practice. When you will write it again and again, the types of questions where these formulas are used, when you do those questions again and again, surely the things will go into your head and you will learn the things by heart. Fine. एक बार इसको सारे को क्या कहते हैं, एक बार रिवाइज कर दो.
Done, sir.
Okay, we did the formula of cube, we did the formulas of cuboid, we did the formulas of cylinder, we did the formulas of cone, we did the formulas of sphere. So करीबन 5 different figures के we have discussed the formulas. So make your own figures, label it and write the formula. This is the only way to do practice. I hope no problem to any student.
No problem, sir.
Perfect.
No,
So that's
sir.
great. That's all for today. So tomorrow I'm going to start with the examples of exercise 1 and where all the formulas will be involved. Clear? So try to learn these formulas by heart so that it will be convenient for you tomorrow to solve the questions. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.